Hi everybody. Today we're going to be replacing a tail light in a 2015 Chevy Trax. Fairly simple. Not one of the most convenient taillights I've ever replaced, but it's doable if you have a screwdriver. So let's get started. All right, first you want to get a flathead screwdriver and just pop these open. These actually have a little stay tie there that'll keep them floating for you. Now that those are open, just take a screwdriver or anything you got to undo these sort of tight screws here. Okay, now once those are off, it's pretty simple. All you'd have to do is kind of get a good grasp on the tail light itself, and basically it's just held on by some clips on the inside. And I've seen other people use string and put it on the inside of here and pull. But if you just get a good grip on it, you can kind of just unwedge it from its hold there. And the bottom is still on. Just want to undo it from there. And there we go. Now we have the housing of the tail light open, and I believe these two are currently out. And I went out and I bought replacement bulbs, and these are it here, the 7443. All right, so let's replace these bulbs. So I think it's just a little twist here, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, a little twist. Seems to be a tight squeeze there, and these just pull out. Like so. My apologies, I'm doing things with one hand here. Feel free to skip forward 10 seconds while I get these out of the package. Okay. Apologize for the thumbs in the camera. It's just a matter of putting them back in like so. That, and right back in like that. Okay, and then let's see if it actually works now. Very nice. Okay, now I just got to do the other one, and basically just do the reverse for putting it back together. It's going to pop back into these little post holes here. Other than that, you're smooth sailing. You got yourself new taillights. So, all right, thanks for watching.